I'm finding myself back here a lot lately. I just had to fix this fence because it's old as it's very old. And I want to get some new rock back here. Look at this. I think this was done when this was all built, and then that's it. So now there's a lot of mud. It's uneven, and same with all out here. I want this all redone too. Obviously, all the cleaning that has to be done is back here. A lot of scrap metal. I don't even know why that's back here. I've done some cleaning, you can tell. Let me go ahead and get this all cleaned up, and we'll go get some 1/2 inch clean and start spreading it, making it look nice again. Hold on, let's see if I can do this. Kind of curious. I don't think so. All right. Now that's a lot better. You can tell where the water's been running off. So I could grade this a little bit, you know, but I'm pretty happy with this. Let's go get some rock. 3 yards, 1/2 inch clean, coming right up. 86 bucks, that's not bad. Look at this piece of crap truck though that I had to take to get here. Fucking seat won't lock. And the engine never warms up all the way. All right, well, I'll call that a good start. Be it for the day. Got this all covered. I was hoping to get a little bit more. I didn't realize how much I used yesterday. I mean, that pretty much taps us out. I got a full load at least, but that's probably not going to be enough for behind the condenser. Probably have to get probably 3 more yards at least. See, the problem with working at ice rinks is you're constantly getting interrupted by having to do Zamboni cuts. Oh! My shoulders! Say this is done back here. So much better. Beautiful. Oh boy. So yeah, all this is here, all back there, and over here. This stuff is gonna go to the scrap yard, so I mean, I gotta do that first. Okay, I got the 3500 skid steer with the forks on it. I've cleaned up a little bit back here. There was a bunch of OSB sitting there. I cleaned that up. There was some old shingles sitting there. Got rid of those. Okay, so here's what I'm left with. This stuff's going to the scrap yard. Those door frames are going, and this desk is going. And soft and hard rake all the ground and try to get everything I can. And then start laying rock. All right, I'm thinking I'm going to start with the old desk first. Change of plan. I'm gonna get the water heaters and shit first. Okay, that's pretty good. All right, we're ready to go. Can you tell that on the daily I drive a Zamboni and not this? I mean, I like driving it, but I am not good. Do you see me fuck that desk up? All right, let's see what we weigh. 8380. Let's go see what we weigh. What were we, 8380 before? 7820. I can't do math that fast. They'll tell me. Dang, 560 pounds, we got 450 bucks. All right, we got rain coming, so I'm gonna try and get some stuff done here. I just want to even this all out a little bit better if I can, because it's just high right there. So I'm going to go get the bucket on the skid steer instead of the forks and do some work with that. I got a little platform for the propane case here. Can you dig it? It's leaning a bit forward. Good enough. All right, I got rock pretty much everywhere I want it now, but right here, I need to add a little more because the ground is so soggy. I'm going to take that Workman and try to compact it all down a little bit better and then add rock where I see fit. So let's do that and then I'll be done with this whole thing, man. Alright, well I'm calling this job well done. Just finished sweeping off the concrete pads. This spot right here isn't great. It's still a little soft. I mean, had I known it was this soggy right here, I would have got probably a yard of inch, like 1 inch clean rock. That's kind of what you want to put on that mud first, and then you can put the lighter stuff or the smaller stuff on top. But that's all right. This was like Monday through Friday worth of work here, so this video is probably going to be pretty long. I don't really care. I put in a lot of work, so it's all good though. Check it out. Clean everywhere. I'm like here. It's good. It's all clean now. This is great. My body's sore.